Hi, this is a quick demo of how the AI video analysis and summarization agent works. So I'm going to just upload very quickly a small dashcam video for analysis. So you can take a quick look at the video here. You'll notice that there is a truck that comes in, cuts across very close to the bike, and then there is a Singapore police car which gives it a chase. And we'll just submit this video for analysis, and then we'll see what comes out. You can actually guide the analysis with an optional query, but if you don't specify any query, we'll try to extract from the video content a detailed summary and some key frames which represent the uh, incidents that appear or happen inside the video. So let's take a look at this particular video and see what comes out. It's going to take around half a minute or so for the analysis. So let's wait. So here you can see that the detailed summary is there. So it talks about fact that video is a dash cam, traffic is stationary, there is a car comes in, the lights turns green, a marked police car gives a chase, and it has identified some of the key frames in the video, which is when the motorcycle was between the trucks, when the police car appears from the right hand side, and then the car actually cuts across the lanes and gives a chase. Now, just to give you a little bit of more variety, let's take a look at a slightly longer video, which is again a dashcam video, which shows a car which doesn't stop at the red traffic light. So this Mazda, it's actually very hard to make out, but the right here is actually red, right? And the street is going, you can see the pedestrian is very confused as to why the car didn't stop, and then it just keeps going, all the while the light was red, right? So this the rest of the video is just another, it loops onto itself. So it's another perspective. So starting from the dash cam, you can see here's the pedestrian, the car just keeps going, and then the light was still red, right? So there's the same video actually in this recording, it's looped twice. So let's take a look at what the analysis actually gives. So you can see here that the analysis, and then it talks about that is a dash cam video of Mazda 3 hatchback. It has identified the license plate, and it has figured out that the light is red and pedestrian is about to cross, and despite the red light, the car still keeps going, right? And then you can see the keyframes which have been identified from the video. So you can distinctly see the Mazda approaches intersection with red light while the pedestrian is crossing, and then the camera car stops for the light, lets the pedestrian cross, and this is the other view, which is the loop. So you can see this again, right? So it's identified all the keyframes. That's it. You can optionally provide a query that will actually take into account. So if you want to focus the analysis on some particular thing, you can write a query that will help guide the analysis. All right, thank you.